level it is.
What?
9.
Can you read it again?
Can you check it?
Whoa.
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer and the Sneeze. Ebenezer and the Sneeze. Ebenezer was a sneezer. We were going shopping, said Mother. Please don't sneeze. They were in the sports shop. Went Ebenezer. Don't, said Mother. They were in the grocery store. Ebenezer went, No, said Mother. Don't. They were in the bakery. Don't even think of it, said Mother. Mother said I have to get a birthday card for Dad. They looked at cards. Said one Mother.
No, she sneezed?
Yeah, because he was telling him to stop sneezing, and then at the end, she sneezed. So it's funny.
It is funny.
I'm going to copy this word because it's a hard word.
It is. What is his name? What do you think it says again?
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer?
Ebenezer.
Yeah, pretty close. Ebenezer.
Oh, Ebenezer.
It kind of rhymes with sneezer.
Sneezer,
Ebenezer the sneezer. That
Okay.
might, yeah. It's a pretty hard word.
Oh, I know what pencil I'm doing. Where's my backpack? Was it in